Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try green polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try grey and white printed shirt with white pants and white loafers. Next you can try peach t-shirt with brown cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try maroon stripe half sleeve shirt with white pants and white shoes. Next you can try navy blue and golden printed shirt with navy blue pants and loafers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with white pants and tan loafers. Next you can try solid white shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try plain blue shirt with white pants and blue loafers. Next you can try white t-shirt with beige pants and grey loafers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with beige pant and beige loafers. Watch this video to know top 35 outfits of July month.